the best and she always gon' check up on me. I know that one day we'll love each other because we homies. She doing everything that I knew she would when I knew she could. Selling hair and trap, but the word don't ask cause I know she good, but may I know this. Now this ain't YouTube, but I broadcast when I hit my show list. And she always focuses something that she gon' always do to me, but it ain't new to me. Yeah, she's exclusively, get it? I say that probably went over y'all heads.
What's up, y'all? What's good? What's poppin'? ExclusivelySa back. Alright, y'all, so today I'm going to be telling you guys about this hair I received from Longqi hair, and I also had this hair in the my Instagram followers control my look video when I did a sleek ponytail like this as well, but it was just with a middle part, and this is just the deep side part. And I just wanted to show you guys how I did this style. Also, my hair is straight if y'all didn't notice, so check out that previous video about my experience getting my hair straightened for the first time in 2 years. So you can do this style on natural or straight hair. Clearly it's a lot simpler with straight hair because it slicks a lot better, but because this is curly hair, it's a lot better to blend with natural hair as well, and then it makes the sleek ponytail look good. So I did dye this hair myself, and I cannot remember the color that I dyed it, so if I find it I will put that in the description box, but check below. I did get 3 bundles. I don't know why, but I only use about a bundle. Sometimes I use a bundle and a half depending on if I want the ponytail fuller or not, but this I just used my longest bundle, which I believe was 22, maybe 20 inches. But I will have the link to Longqi hair and the bundles below. So it did come black. I bleached it and colored it this, so don't think, you know, it's gonna come this color, but yeah. So if you want to know how to get this look, then stay tuned. thanks for watching. This is my cute, sleek ponytail. I actually like this style. I like side parts on me, but I like middle parts. I could do a little bit better with this, but it's so hard not to like get this all messed up. But I did use Got To Be Glue this time. I didn't want to use Eco Styling because I didn't know if it was gonna curl my hair up, because y'all know my hair will curl up after anything, and especially since it's straight, I don't need it curling up right now. So check the description box for some coupon codes, all that good stuff, and all the information for this cute hair. And if you guys decide to make a ponytail, don't forget to mention me and tag me so I can see y'all cute ponytails. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.